Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change commander in Rise of Kingdoms. In Rise of Kingdoms, changing your commander requires recruiting new ones rather than swapping your starting choice. Once you select a civilization, your initial commander is fixed and cannot be changed. Even if you switch civilizations later, to get a different commander, visit the tavern, where you can open silver or golden chests to recruit new leaders. Each chest offers a chance to acquire commanders with unique skills and abilities, which you can then assign to your army and use in battles. After recruiting, make sure to level up your new commanders and invest in their talents to maximize their effectiveness in combat. By strategically selecting, upgrading, and deploying these commanders, you can tailor your forces to match your preferred playstyle, boost your military strength, and gain a significant advantage in both offensive and defensive operations across your kingdom. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.